Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In this Python sequence of videos, today we are going to talk about another important interview question like similar to the previous. Explain. Explain about multiplication. Explain about multiplication of string, list and tuple objects. If you have a string object is there, can you multiply that string object? How many times I need a repetition? Can I do that? Happily we can take. Consider here we are using which operator? Star. So it is used to repeat. It is used to repeat or multiply. It is used to repeat or multiply. So a string or list or tuple, okay, or tuple with number of times. How many times you need to repeat that you can take. But if you want to do this, one argument must be either string or list or tuple, and other argument must be what type? Integer only. Like this we have to take. Then only we can perform this star operation. I want to show this with the help of example. Listen carefully. I have a string is there like s is equal to ABCD. Can I repeat this ABCD for 4 times? Yes, simply we can take S into 4. What will happen? That ABCD is going to be repeated how many times? 4 times. But please make sure if you want to do this, compulsory one argument must be string, other argument must be integer. Sir, I want to take like this. Even though 3 is an integer, but the representation which you have given is a string, right? That's why it can't able to do multiplication. If you want, you can see cannot multiply a sequence by non-integer of type string. I can't multiply this sequence by non-integer of type string. Like that, we are getting error. Sir, this is nothing but for string. Can I apply the same concept for list? Yes. If you have some list elements are there like 111, 222, 333 like this. Sir, can I take L into 2? That list is repeated how many times? 2 times. Sir, can I take L into 4? That list is repeated 4 times. Can I take L into 3? Within double quotations 3 I am taking. Sir, we are getting error saying cannot multiply a sequence by non-integer of type string. Like that we have. So we can't multiply a sequence with non-integer types. So compulsory the first argument should be either a list or tuple or a string. Second argument must be integer, but order is not important. Even if you take 3 into L also, it will work, no issues at all. So order is not important, but one argument must be integer, other must be string. Like that we have string or tuple or list. Okay, this is nothing but what we have. Sir, can you do this operation for tuple? Same, it is applicable for tuple also. Like assume I have some tuple elements are there like this. So t into 2, 2 times it is going to repeat. Sir, 4 into 2, 4 into t, 4 times it is going to repeat. Sir, can we do this operation for set? No, because the problem with the set is if you do s into 3, what is the meaning of this? Those 3 elements are going to be repeated 3 times. But we know the basic fundamental rule is set is going to entertain duplicates. No, right? Then how you can store? It is not possible. We are getting error message saying unsupported operand types for star, which is nothing but set and set. Like that we have. This is nothing but how you can able to do repetition or multiplication operation. So on string object, list object and tuple. So thank you friends.